Welcome to the world of hot cars and hot guys in the Northwest and what drives their passion for all things automotive, as well as the homes that house their sweet rides. This is my favorite hot car guy. Welcome, Randy.
Thank you, Peggy. It's a pleasure to be here.
I was looking forward to playing with you with all these hot cars around.
Let's look at some of these.
What was your aha moment when you realized cars were your passion?
I would say I was 13 years old, got to ride in a 23T bucket roadster with a blown big box Chevy.
Wow.
And that was painted metal flake blue, and went for a ride, and he got on the thing and the front end came off the ground and one tire was about a foot higher than the other. And scared the fleas off my back, but at the same time was an adrenaline rush I never felt before, and from that moment on I was like, I gotta have this.
This is your thing.
Yeah.
What did you do with that knowledge?
First thing is I had to figure out how to make some money. And I'm 13 years old. I raised chickens and I sold eggs on the roadside. When I was 15, I got a job working in construction. And then I bought a 1965 Mercury Comet Caliente hardtop two-door. Every penny that I made went into that car. Took the transmission, I had that built up to support a little bit more horsepower. The engine, when I got it back, I assembled it in my mother's living room. So my mom came home. She came home from work and there's this engine stand with a block in it. She says, "What is this?" "It's clean, Mom, it's brand new." I made sure all my tolerances were correct, putting it all together. So I was 15 years old. So Peg, tell me about your first car experience.
I was 15 and it was a Datsun 510 that had been a race car. It was lowered with really pretty mag wheels and it had been wrecked because it had been raced. So my dad and I spent the summer fixing it up, fixing the body, putting seats in it, putting carpet in it and painting it cherry red. And it was
Very nice.
The prettiest thing ever for a first car.